It's like a whole new car. About a year ago, I upgraded all speakers on my BMW Z4 and it made a huge difference to the driving experience. But now I want to elevate it to another level. Simple Car Guy here, and today I will be installing this AlphaOne Amplifier by BimmerTech that outputs over 700 watts RMS. Yes, this little device can produce that much power, or at least they say so. It sounds almost too good to be true, so I'm very excited to check this out, get it installed, and then tell you what I think about it. Before we get to installing, I wanted to quickly check out what actually comes in this fancy box other than the amplifier. I have also gotten myself a DIY essentials kit, so this will definitely help you get all of the stuff installed. And we'll talk about that in just a little bit once we're actually installing stuff. But let's see what's on the inside. So I'm just gonna take that off, put that to the side. We have our instructions. It's just gonna tell you to go to their website, or they'll email you like a PDF with instructions specifically for your car. You got a sticker, very nice. And now we're gonna take out the amplifier. All right, so here is the amplifier itself, and it is very small. I mean, my hand is bigger than this amplifier. It feels pretty heavy, so it's very solid inside, I can assume. I'm not gonna open it up, but I assume this is full of electronics. It's just amazing what modern technology can do. I mean, I remember when I was in high school, my amplifier was like 300 RMS and was way bigger than this entire box. So yeah, pretty cool technology in here. Obviously, this is the AlphaOne Amplifier by BimmerTech. On this side, we have a lot of connections. So this is what's going to be connecting to your speakers, and you know, you can have the remote and you have your power and everything else. On this side, we have the USB, so you can use software to actually put tunes in and change well, how the amplifier behaves based on what you like. And if you're more familiar with custom tune setups, you can also configure this control button to switch between different presets. All right, and here we have the custom bracket, I assume, for the BMW Z4. Obviously, this amplifier can be used on many other BMWs. But yeah, let's look at the wiring now. So let's see what else we have in here. We have our micro USB cable for configuring stuff if need be, but this does come preloaded for your car, so you don't technically have to do anything. You can just plug it in and it will sound amazing, hopefully. Otherwise, you can configure it to your liking. We also have a few extra cables in the box here. This first wire is used for Smart Control Portal to adjust features of the amp and switch between different tunes on the fly. The remote wire allows you to turn on the amp in an aftermarket application. We will not be using either of these features, as I'm going for a stock-like functionality where once everything is set up, it just works. Hooking everything up is very easy. You just have to plug in the system connector, the speaker output plug, and power wires into the amp. And once at the car, plug the other end into the harness on the car. But yeah, very cool. I'm very excited. So let's go down to the car, take it apart, get this installed, and see what it sounds like. So what will we need to get this amplifier installed? Well, obviously the amplifier. We're also gonna need the wiring that came with it so you can connect it to the car. We're gonna need some instructions. So I got these sent to me by their support, and they give a decent enough instructions. So it tells you, you know, how to remove certain parts and things like that. I'll show you every step. Should be very easy. I don't think it's going to be a lot of work. And of course, you're going to need some tools. If you have your own set, that's awesome. But if you're new to this, I would recommend getting one of these kits. This will basically have everything to get the amplifier installed, and even to get CarPlay modules and speakers and everything else installed that you would ever want to install from this company. But here's the little description of everything that you get. You get your extension bars, you got the ratchet, the pick tool, the driver, so just a regular like socket driver, and of course you have your T bits, so basically should be enough for disassembling probably like half a BMW, so it's pretty cool. So let's see how easy it is to install this amplifier on my BMW Z4. On this car, the amp is located in the trunk on the back wall. To get there, we have to remove the floor panel that covers the battery, and then remove two clips holding the second floor panel in place. It can then simply be removed as well. Once we have removed the trunk floor trim, we need to actually remove this panel right here, but the clips are all the way at the top, so we have to put the roof in a half open position. I'm gonna just use my key as I have been before, and I'll tell you where to stop. And we're gonna leave it right there. This is exactly the position we're looking for because we have access to all 4 clips right here, and we can still lift this up so we can disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, which is important before you disconnect the amplifier. Now we can disconnect the battery, negative terminal. That to the side, nice and safe. Now we can put this back in that position and remove these clips right here. I'll be honest, I don't have a lot of patience for these clips. I usually replace them every time I take them out. So now all we have to do is remove the amplifier. There is one bolt holding it in place, which is right here. So I'm just going to remove it. It's an 8mm bolt. And there it is. Now we can just swing the entire amplifier to the right. Okay, it's coming. There it is. All right. So yeah, these things, we're just holding it in. Very easy. Now I'm just going to unclip this connector. There's a button. Push it down. And the whole thing comes out. There is your amplifier. Super easy. So now let's compare it to the new one. Old, new. This one's much lighter, but also bigger. So they definitely put a lot of electronics in here. Very cool. All right, so let's put the new one in. We just have to remove this little, I don't know, shipping block, I guess. So it kept it in the correct position, just like that. I decided to remove these 4 bolts because I think it's going to be easier to put the amplifier on and put the bolt in while this is off. And it's only 4 10mm bolts, which is very easy to remove. So now I can kind of see what I'm actually, where I'm putting this bracket in. It's a little bit of an interesting one. Do this much easier with the bracket off. And oh, it took a second to remove those 4 bolts. So. All right, now that it's attached to the bracket, I can wire it up. Okay, so here is all of the wiring. Should be very simple. We're gonna get the main harness and plug that into the amplifier itself on the bottom here. Get the power wires. And then obviously our last step is to connect the car harness, which is right here, with the connector that we just plugged into the amplifier. There it is. Okay, clipped in, and now we can attach it all back to the car. All right, everything's very nicely secure. Now I'm just going to clean up the wires. Have my USB wire out so we can connect if need be. All right, so I got my new clips. It was like $5 for probably 50 of them on Amazon. So yeah, I'm just gonna use these. Okay, so lock in place. I can probably even put this cover back right now. Now we can reconnect our negative so we can close the roof and test it. Go in the trunk. Just gotta put the cover back in. Alright guys, now that the amp is installed, I am super excited to see what it sounds like. When I installed the speakers last year, I literally started driving the car more because you could actually hear the music on the highway with the roof down. So I want to see what difference the amplifier makes as well. And to be clear, this is a brand new amplifier from BimmerTech. This is something they have just released, so it should be really good as it's actually more powerful than the previous upgrade they were selling for BMW. So let's give it a listen. I have loaded some copyright-free music from YouTube onto my stereo, so let's see what it sounds like. I like bassy music and hip-hop, so this works well. Wow. Okay. I only went up to maybe 30% volume. That is awesome. The difference is so big. I mean, I can clearly hear every single note playing from the music. You definitely have it a little bit more balanced than what I had with the default, with the stock amp. The mids, especially the mids right here, really come through. They do not overpower anything, and you can definitely hear the tweeters from the front, giving it a lot of clarity. The subwoofers, I have asked the engineering guy, the audio engineer, to actually bump up the bass a little bit, since I do like bassy music, and you can feel that. You can actually feel the bass in this car now, which is amazing. Let me listen a little bit more and see what else I think. It's like a whole new car. This really compares now, or actually maybe a little bit better than my BMW 550, which had 18 speakers. It had the premium sound system in that car, and wow, this car sounds good now. It's very well balanced, it's clear, has very crisp high notes. Wow, that song has a lot of deep bass that hits really hard, and I love that. If you don't, you can of course, turn that down a little bit, but I really do enjoy that. And what also is really good is that I don't hear any clipping. I don't hear the subwoofers kicking out or going off, basically stop producing bass because of overpowering or anything like that. It's very well balanced. It's incredible the difference this made. I can't believe it, honestly. I was not expecting this much of an improvement for that low amp. Clearly, I like how it sounds. But what are some other pros and cons? The biggest positive for me has to be how plug and play it is, despite the fact that you can load custom configuration or switch between the preloaded ones already on the amp. This works with stock speakers and AlphaOne speakers like I have here in this BMW Z4. Of course, if you don't like any of the pre-configured tunes or don't know how to do custom ones yourself, you can connect with an audio engineer to customize perfectly to your liking. It was also easy to install, as it came already with a bracket that was identical to the stock amp, and that's rare for a car like this Z4. There is no cutting or screwing into metal. It can be hard picking audio components for your car, as everything is so integrated now. But I found BimmerTech's website very convenient, as it uses your VIN to figure out what system you have and what components can be upgraded, which prevents you from ordering things you don't need. This upgrade is not cheap, but high quality audio makes a big difference on how much you enjoy driving your car. Just like the speakers made a big difference when I installed those. Click here to see how I upgraded all speakers on my BMW Z4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.